I didn't see you there. It's me, Palmer. Welcome to Imagination Time. Do you want to play a game? It's called Guess Who. Whoa! We're gonna guess some animals. Do you like animals? Me too. But there are no animals here. Let's go to the jungle. Teleport, teleport, teleport. Wow, look at this jungle. Good thing I got my binoculars. I can see you from far away. I also brought my whistle. When I get lost, people can find me. I got my backpack for all my other stuff. Time for an adventure. Good thing I got my adventure gear. Let's look around. Ooh, I see something interesting. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Ready? It's orange and it has black stripes. It's fast, it's strong, more than a high elephant. What? It has sharp teeth and sharp claws. What is it? That's right, it's a tiger. Wow. Tigers are really cool. Do you know they're the largest wild cat? So big. Do you know they love to swim in the water? I like to swim too. Do you like to swim? Yeah, water is fun, but cats don't like it. Yeah, except for tigers. Ooh, what's that sound? Do you hear it? It's another animal. I see it. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Ready? It has a long tail, a fuzzy head, big ears, two hands like you and me. Oh, look, it's climbing a tree right now. And it loves bananas. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a monkey. Monkeys are great climbers, and they love to swing from vines that are like a one, but it's actually a vine, like Tarzan. Can you climb like a monkey? There goes the monkey, bye-bye. Oh no, I heard a slithering sound. I see something scary. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Ready? It has a long body, slithers on the ground, makes a hiss sound, and it may be poisonous. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a snake. Do you like snakes? I kinda like snakes. Common snakes in the jungle include pythons, the boa, and anacondas. Do you know the largest snake was a python? It was 32 feet long. That is longer than some school buses. That's a huge snake. Wow, snakes are cool. The snake is slithering away. Bye-bye. Whoa, wow. Do you like guessing animals? I love guessing animals. Do you want to guess a few more? Here we go. Oh, there's something above me. I see something in the trees. It's so fast. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Ready? It has colorful feathers. Red, blue, and yellow. A strong beak. Loves pirates. Hey, it's copying me. Stop copying me. Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
That's funny. You know what it is? That's right, it's a parrot. Also known as the scarlet macaw. Parrots are beautiful. So many colors and very smart. Oh, she flew away. Bye-bye. This jungle is so interesting. It's so hot and humid in here. I think it might rain soon. Wait, I see one more animal. Look at that, I barely noticed it. It was so still. I almost didn't see it. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. Ready? It has grayish fur, long fingernails to hold branches. It moves really slowly. And it sleeps in the treetops. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a sloth. I think sloths are really cute, but oh my, they're very slow. Wow, there's so many animals in the jungle. I wish we had more time to see them all. Which animal was your favorite? Mine was the snake. How many did you get right? Remember, there was the tiger, the monkey, the snake, the parrot, and the sloth. 5 animals. Do you want to play again? Click my other video. We'll go to the farm. Will you come on me with my next adventure? Where do you want to go? Under the sea? In the ocean? Or what about the desert? There's a mummy. Spooky mummy. I can't wait to see you there. Well, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more imagination time. And click subscribe for more fun videos. Remember, I'm Palmer. You're my friend. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.